Hey homeowners, thinking about upgrading your countertops? Let's dive into the pros and cons of quartz countertops. First, the pros. Quartz countertops are extremely durable. They're resistant to scratches, chips, and stains. No need for sealing either. Just a bit of mild soap and water and you're good to go. Plus, they come in a variety of designs, some even mimicking natural stones. And guess what? Being non-porous, they're super hygienic, not harboring bacteria or viruses. They can handle moderate heat, though using trivets is recommended. The quality is consistent throughout, giving you a uniform appearance and strength. Many quartz countertops are made with recycled materials, making them eco-friendly. Damage can be repaired easily by professionals, and installing quartz can even boost your home's resale value. Now, on to the cons. Quartz can be pricier than other materials. It's sensitive to extreme heat, so always use trivets. Being heavy, it might need additional structural support. Professional installation is a must, not a DIY job. In larger installations, the seams can be noticeable. Prolonged exposure to sunlight may cause discoloration. The manufacturing process can be energy-intensive. And while quartz is beautiful, it's limited in providing unique patterns compared to natural stones. When comparing quartz to other materials, granite is durable but needs regular sealing. Marble is elegant but less durable and requires more maintenance. Laminate is cheaper but lacks the durability and visual appeal of quartz. In conclusion, quartz countertops are a fantastic choice for their durability, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. Despite some drawbacks, their benefits make them a popular choice for homeowners. For more information and personalized advice, Northwest Stone Fabricators in Redmond, Washington can provide expert guidance and a wide selection of countertop options. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.